Oh, the froggies? Yeah, you like those froggies.
Alright, we are here in South Lake Tahoe today. I'm walking with a couple of my ladies from church and their kids. Out of respect for the privacy, I won't be filming them. But we're doing the Rainbow Trail today. We came back to do the Talek Historic Site Trail, which I've already done a video on if you've seen it. But we decided since the ladies have strollers, the Rainbow Trail might be a good option as well. So here we are, beautiful. Hey, buddy. Let's see if we can get this photo. Oop, shadow.
Oh, 那个真是湖啊，还有那个今年的约好。
Oh, they're sleeping.
Okay, you want to see? Hey, look, Blair. Blair. Look.
They're snoozing.
Right here.
Keep an eye on us.
That one's swimming.
Oh no, you're fine. You're fine. Yeah, you see the duck? Quack, quack, quack. Beautiful.
You know this?
Probably. There's sure there's I see some bubbles, so maybe the froggies are underneath the water.
You see?
Yeah. If you look in the water, there's some bubbles that come up. Maybe there's froggies or fish in there.
They say. What do the froggies say? Ribbit, ribbit. Look, that one.
That's a duck.
Duck!
Blair, Millie's talking to you. Tell her what you found.
I found a froggy.
You found a froggy. You want to see the froggy?
You having fun?
Well, that's why when I took Millie to work with me at Life Choices,
Froggies?
I was like, I think she hears adults talking so much. Yeah. Helpful for
Froggies?
But, you know, I don't, girls, wait.
I'm seeing froggies.
Oh, you're
Mama?
seeing froggies? Whoa, dude.
Mama?
Yes, baby. Hey, sweetie. You having a fun time? Hi. Do you hear the leaves quaking?
Millie, wait. Blair, stop. You gotta wait. You gotta stay together, Mill. Patience. Monday, my mom's gonna come up and watch both babies so that we can go. Yeah, this
Hey,
is
we
just.
see something.
Okay, you want to
See
move to the next
something?
spot? You see something?
What do you see?
Careful. I know.
Going down into the stream chamber.
Almost there. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at the fishies. Do you see them right there?
Try not to.
Don't let me have fun, Mommy. Don't show me having fun. Blair, I think he's acting kind of, acting up a little bit. So I'm like, maybe he's getting the other two too. I don't know. But I think it would just be starting because I don't notice any like buds or anything. They're camouflaged, huh, Millie? What do you think? Do you see? Whale. Do you see?
Mommy.
Do you see?
Mommy.
Yes, yes, Millie. Yes,
Look
Millie.
at that. Mommy, look at that.
Huh?
Murdoch.